Let's have brunch at Uncorked too, guys. This was my first time there and I absolutely loved the ambiance. Listen, we went there for brunch one Sunday, basically a post-birthday brunch, and it was definitely a vibe. Like, the place was just filled with wine bottles, and I'm really not a wine girl, but next time I go I'll definitely try their selection. But we sat down and we ordered barbecue pulled pork for myself and mac and cheese for Bay, and this is where I'm just trying it out to see how good it is. And as you can see from the head nod, it was bomb. I actually absolutely love it. He got the mac and cheese, and I had to try it, of course. That was me battling him up and telling him he had to share with me. As per usual, if you don't eat out your man food, then what are you doing, girl? What are you doing? My meal was absolutely delicious. I couldn't have it all, so I actually brought home some for dinner.